Welcome back to our channel, where we're committed to helping you live a healthier and more informed life. Today, we're delving into a topic of utmost importance, the health of your liver. Your liver is a remarkable organ, handling over 500 vital functions in your body. However, it's not immune to challenges, including fatty liver disease. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 superfoods that can heal a fatty liver. These superfoods have the potential to help reverse the effects of a fatty liver and support your liver's well-being. Let's get started. Our list begins at number 7 with oatmeal, a fiber-rich fuel. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, which is fantastic for your liver. Why? Fiber helps in reducing the levels of bad cholesterol in your body. When you have high levels of bad cholesterol, it can lead to fatty liver disease. Fiber-rich foods like oatmeal help in managing your cholesterol levels and thus reverse a fatty liver. Plus, it's a great way to start your day with a hearty and healthy breakfast. In the 6th position, we have a surprising contender, coffee. Yes, that's right, coffee, in moderation, has been shown to be protective against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. It's not just a great way to kickstart your day, it can also help protect your liver. The key here is moderation. Too much caffeine can have adverse effects, so keep it to a couple of cups a day. Coffee's antioxidants and other compounds are thought to have a positive impact on liver health. At number 5, we have walnuts. Walnuts are a nutrient powerhouse that's not just delicious but also fantastic for your liver. Now, you might be thinking, are not walnuts high in fat? You're absolutely right, but they are high in healthy, unsaturated fats that your liver loves. These fats are low in carbs and provide an excellent source of protein. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. So, snacking on walnuts can be a great way to support your liver health. The 4th position goes to omega-3 fatty acids. While you can find these in various sources, one of the best ways to get your dose of omega-3s is through fish oil supplements. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory effects and their ability to support liver function. They can help reduce inflammation in the liver, which is crucial for preventing and even reversing fatty liver disease. So, consider adding fish oil or fatty fish like salmon and mackerel to your diet to give your liver the love it deserves. Coming in at number 3, we have a group of veggies that your liver will adore, cruciferous greens. These include arugula, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and kale. These greens are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that are fantastic for liver health. They contain compounds that support the liver's detoxification processes. Adding more cruciferous greens to your diet can help cleanse and heal your liver. So, remember to load up on these greens during your next trip to the grocery store. The 2nd position is claimed by meat. Meat is packed with essential nutrients, making it a great source of protein. It's also rich in stable, non-inflammatory, saturated fats. These fats are less likely to cause inflammation in the body, which is excellent for your liver. Meat, particularly lean cuts of meat, can be a valuable addition to your diet to ensure your liver is getting the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Additionally, meat is also one of the least allergenic foods and contains methionine, a crucial amino acid for producing the antioxidant glutathione. And now, the number 1 superfood for healing a fatty liver is eggs. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including choline, which is crucial for liver health. Choline is used by the liver to process fats and prevent the buildup of fat in the liver, an essential factor in reversing fatty liver disease. Eggs are also rich in vitamins B6, B9, and B12, which are important for overall liver function and general health. Remember, your liver plays a vital role in maintaining your overall health, so it's crucial to take care of it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.